seeing no words of presentations, and we have one individual sign up to speak, Mr. Garry Morgan.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, Commissioners, citizens of Scottsboro. Last week I did speak on an issue concerning court referral, community corrections. I'm going to speak a little bit again about that situation. I have reviewed some more documents this week, today and this morning. Here's some very definitive concerns. I think the commission will be reviewing those documents. I know Mr. Hodges will be reviewing them, as I've had some conversations with them. The concern which has been reported in the media, particularly relates to conflicts of interest. In reviewing the policies of community corrections court referral, they forbid a conflict of interest. And folks, I'm telling you, I'm asking you to look real hard at that, because there's some definitive conflicts of interest in community corrections and court referral which violate their own policy. They're in violation of their own policy. Also, another item of concern is their drug testing protocol. Currently, a person that tests positive for a substance, they're substance abusers, they are carried forth maybe for weeks, even a month, before they are called in, and most time they're arrested when they're called in. That is not the proper protocol. If a person tests positive, they should be called in immediately or as soon as possible. I mean, the folks got ways to be contacted, or they can send the sheriff out to get them if it need be, to bring them in over there. The protocol is, if they screen on a screen, they test. They need to be called in, find out what's going on with them in their life if they are abusing, and then submit to another test at that particular time to confirm that that screening test was either positive or negative. There's a problem over there. The county commission passed a resolution in 1996, again in 1998, to form the program as a nonprofit entity. That's y'all's resolution. It's y'all's resolution. You can dissolve that program and place it under the county. That is my belief. And it is my belief, if there can't be oversight placed onto this program and these people and the program that they're running, maybe that's what y'all ought to do. Seriously consider that. I'm carrying forth my inquiries, and I report. I'm a citizen reporter, and I'm going to continue inquiring into this. And I'm telling you folks, I get people every week, every day practically, that call me up and tell me about issues over there. And all these people ain't lying. And law enforcement ain't lying to me, because they come to me. Y'all ain't lying to me. Y'all know what the situation is. And I'm not saying these folks are lying to me over there. Of course, I ain't got the chance to talk to them because they won't grant an interview. But there's a problem here. I'm asking for your help, and it needs to go forward sooner rather than later. You might think about forming a special committee to look at this, to include court referral folks on the committee, to include attorneys in town on the committee, include medical staff on the committee. I mean, we're supposed to be trying to help people. Yeah, if they mess up and they steal from people, if they're consistent, repetitive substance abusers, there's a problem. But I don't think most of the people are like that. I think most people have a medical issue that's not being properly addressed. And this is why I'm here telling y'all about this again. And I'm going to continue looking in this, and I ain't going away on this until there's some sort of accountability that is implemented within Jackson County. Because like I said, this county commission placed forth the program as it is. I believe that the county commission has the power. I'm not saying I'm right. I could be wrong. But I believe y'all do have the power to correct the inequities in the program and set the wheels going straight. Thank you for your time. If there's any questions, I'd be happy to answer.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.